This wasn't on the bingo card when I left home. Not even close.
You were good?
It started out as a normal ride.
Which way to get out?
Then it turned into a bit of everything.
I'm friggin' lost. Holy shit, I'm not getting down that.
I thought I was going on a ride. It turns out I was going for an adventure. When I left home, this was meant to be a simple ride in some bushland close to home. Mostly just to practice filming. Dead end. Classic. Cue the Benny Hill music. I've ridden here before, with my daughter and solo. I've hurt myself out here, so I've always played it a little safe. I've never really explored the whole place.
They've cleared so much land. Look at this minefield. Like a friggin' moonscape.
Some of it was super technical. Some of it, honestly, was a bit daunting.
Probably should have gone up that top one, but committed now.
But I backed myself. And it was one of those rides where you realise you're actually better than you think you are.
Just trust yourself, I think, is a big message I'm learning today. Like, I do have some skills, you know, like, it's just back myself. It is dangerous, but it's not life-threatening. I mean, it's worse if you hurt yourself, your bike fall over.
I came across another group, and someone had come off. I stopped and checked in.
You were good?
Yeah, he's just had a little booty up.
Oh. You gonna be alright to get back, or you want me to get someone for you? If you need to, I can call someone, you know, it's up to you. Just take your time, bro. I'll keep going, leave you to it, but yeah, don't rush back into it, otherwise you'll off up worse, eh?
That's just part of riding out here. Things can go bad.
Holy shit, I'm not getting down that. Or up. I've got a cramp in my hip. I don't even know where I am, to be honest with you. I'm friggin' lost. lot going up there. And not looking forward to going down it.
And that was the first time the bike went down. Around about now, I totally forgot about filming. And it wasn't long after this, I had to ask for directions.
Which way to get out? This way or? Yeah, since they blocked off all the trails, you know, it's just my whole, I don't even know where I am at the moment, you know? No, that's good enough. Thanks, man. Yeah, thanks.
I dropped the bike a couple of times. Nothing too dramatic. Just slow speed stuff when there's no footing. That's just part of it. A few more challenging climbs. Some rutted downhills. And then finally, the track opened up. And an exit appeared.
Oh, well, that turned into rather an eventful outing. Much harder than I expected when I left home. Oh, I'm fully knackered now. Completely and utterly lost. And when I say completely and utterly lost, I was completely and utterly lost. Fully drained. Some of that stuff was quite technical, very sketchy, very enjoyable. I'm glad we did it. I doubted myself a few times. Yeah, I did drop the bike a couple of times. That's more so than losing your footing, losing a bit of momentum and getting caught in a rut or whatever. Fatigue more so than a skill issue there. You know, when you get tired, you start making little errors, you don't think straight. Oh, it's good. Enjoyed it.